Hello everyone, welcome to Mirasol kitchen. Today we're going to cook goto.
Our goto, let's prepare the ingredients. I have here a pre-cooked beef tripe, 2 big onions. You know, onion is loaded of antioxidant. Garlic, lots of garlics because it's good for our heart. Ginger, spring onion, glutinous rice, turmeric powder, fish sauce, around 2 tablespoons, water, next cut all the ingredients. Spring onion cut into small pieces, put on the small plate. Spring onion, you can put it also as garnishing, and then ginger cut into mince. I use spoon to remove the skin, so it's easy. Cut it into mince pieces so our children will eat the ginger. Okay, 2 beef cubes, it's optional. Let's start sauteing the garlic. Make the garlic crunchy but not burn. So maybe around 5 minutes it will become light brown. And when you see it's golden color, remove it from the pan, separate it. We will use this as toppings later on. And okay, so remove it. Next is the ginger. Let's caramelize the ginger. You know that ginger is cooked when it turns the bright color. It will change the color of the ginger. And that's the time you have to put the onion. Let's the onion caramelize so the flavor will enhance the flavor of our goto. And then put the tripe. Next is our patis or fish sauce, around 2 tablespoons. Cover it. Then put some of our spring onions. Then add our glutinous rice. I pre-cook the glutinous rice. Then put the turmeric powder so it gives color to our goto. And then add water till it becomes soft. Add some garlic, crunched garlic, so it will blended the flavor of our goto. Then voila, it's cooked. Time to eat!